Go Island is brought to you by German Auto Import Network.
Frank Crane Arena is packed with Nanaimo minor lacrosse players. It's their seasoning opening here today on Go Island. Today on Go Island, a man with a passion for fitness and a desire to help others. And Todd and Derek attempt to beat the clock. That and more today on Go Island. Frank Crane Arena is packed with the Nanaimo minor lacrosse players. It's the opening of their season. We're going to be talking to them in a little bit. But first, it's time to meet a volunteer who's passionate about fitness. Here's Rayanne LaPlante. You're watching Go Island on Shaw TV. We're here today at the opening for the season for Nanaimo minor lacrosse. I'm here with President Brian Bowes. Tell me, there's a lot of kids here today. This is a pretty big sport in Nanaimo.
Yeah, it is. It's 430 kids this year, so we've grown from last year, and it's continuing to grow, hopefully.
And what do you think, why do you think it's continuing to grow? What makes lacrosse so great? Why is it a good sport?
It's a really active sport. It keeps the kids running. It's great for their hand-eye coordination. It's a lot of fun for the kids, and it's physical too, right? Kids always like to bump and run, so it's great.
And yourself, you've been coaching for 4 years. Now you're into the president role. I know that there's been some, Nanaimo's pretty big with girls playing lacrosse as well.
Yes.
And we're going to find out a little bit more about the girls and the update and just how unique Nanaimo is after this short break. Still ahead on Go Island, our clock guys attempt to find their destination with only an hour to do it. And we meet a volunteer who's donating his time to Nanaimo RCMP.
Hi, my name is Grace Plumley, and did you know children under 13 are more awake after 10 a.m.?
That's right, that's what you're watching, and we're here today at Nanaimo minor lacrosse's opening of the season. These guys, they're 9 and 10 years old, they're enthused for the season. We're going to find out all about what's going on, but first, it's time to take a look back at Todd and Derek trying to beat the clock. You're watching Go Island on Shaw TV. We're here at the season opening for Nanaimo minor lacrosse. I'm here with Farron Ferguson, who coordinates all the girls. Tell me a little bit, how many girls do we have in Nanaimo minor lacrosse?
Well, we're very fortunate to have the only girls program on Vancouver Island. We have a full complement of teams, 5 teams. Each team has got a different number of girls. Right now we're at, I think, 92. But that number will increase before our first games, which will start April 12th.
And Nanaimo kind of stands alone because they're the only league on the island, I guess, with girls, or
that's right. Yeah. The girls program is real strong on the mainland. So their girls come over here and play our girls here in Nanaimo. Each team in the Lower Mainland Commission comes over and plays once. So our girls here get a full complement of games, a full season. It's just a matter of how many teams are in the division as to how many games that they get.
Phew, so they're not actually having to play against all the boys, they actually have some girl competition.
Oh, you betcha. Girls lacrosse is a real special thing. It's different than boys. The rules are the same, but the girls are girls, boys are boys. The girls have a lot more fun, stick together. We all go to 2 tournaments. We actually automatically qualify for the BCLA provincial finals. So we attend that. We know that we're going to that. So we get 2 tournaments that we go to. One is the Dorothy Robertson Memorial Tournament in New Westminster, where our girls are fortunate enough to get to play at Queen's Park Arena, one of the cathedrals of lacrosse. And then on in July we go to the provincial finals, which this year will be in Maple Ridge.
Awesome. So if girls want to get involved, are you looking for more players?
We are looking for more players at the novice level, which is grade 3 and 4. The Pee Wee level, which is grade 5 and 6. Our bantam and midget and junior teams are full.
Wow, so once they started playing, they loved it, and now there's no room.
You betcha, yeah. We're very happy with what we built over the years. We've been very fortunate to have a very strong group of older girls that have come back to help out, and they either mentor or they coach. As a matter of fact, I'm proud to say that all of our 5 teams have either 1, 2, or 3 coaches or mentors of either girls that play in the girls program or have graduated from our girls program and have come back to give back to the sport that they loved.
That's really awesome. Thank you so much for talking to us today.
You betcha.
It's time now to take a short break. You're watching Go Island on Shaw TV. We're here at Frank Crane Arena for the opening of the lacrosse season for Nanaimo Minor Lacrosse. I'm here with President Brian Bowes. Brian, one of the things, there's kind of a perk for the kids in Nanaimo Minor Lacrosse. Tell us about that.
Yeah, this year Farron Ferguson has taken over as the Director of Operations for the Junior A and Senior A team. So any Nanaimo lacrosse player that shows up to the game wearing their jersey gets free admission into the games.
That's a pretty good perk, and I heard the warning, just don't get the ketchup and mustard on the jerseys.
Yes, don't spill ketchup and mustard on the jerseys, for sure.
Well, that's definitely a great perk, a lot of fun. I know one of the things is, the ice is gone here from Frank Crane right now.
Yes.
Opening of lacrosse season, but you guys aren't the only users here of this floor.
No, there's roller derby is getting more popular. It's becoming a very popular sport in town. There's the brass knuckle derby dames. There's the Candy Crushers junior program, and there's also the Harbor City Rollers. So there's lots of roller derby in town. There's also an Nanaimo Ball Hockey League that Rick Nelson is starting as well. So there's lots of users that could benefit from this floor.
So back to lacrosse, is it too late for people to get involved?
No, we still had kids sign up even yesterday. So you can go online, and there's an online registration. It is coming close to where teams are already set, but we still have room in most divisions, so you could still sign up if you want to. You can go to the Nanaimo Minor Lacrosse website, and there's a registration link on the website.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Brian. It's time now to meet a volunteer who's donating his time to Nanaimo RCMP Auxiliary. You're watching Go Island on Shaw TV. It's all about volunteers, and there's some volunteers needed. The BC Summer Games are coming to Nanaimo this summer, and they need about 3,200 volunteers. So if you're interested, get a hold of them. They would love to hear from you. But there's also a kickoff. The torch lighting ceremony is happening this Friday, April 11th at 7 p.m. at Maffeo Sutton Park. That's it for this edition of Go Island. Thanks for watching.
Go Island is brought to you by German Auto Import Network. Clothing supplied by Catwalk Fashions. Kate's Hair and Aesthetics provided by Maffeo Salon.